Let's see how to install Java on Ubuntu 24.04. I start by opening the web browser and going to oracle.com/java. I click on Download Java, and we can see the latest Java version. At the time of this recording, it's Java 23. We need to scroll down a bit, and from here we can download the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. I'll choose the Debian package, click the link, and Java begins downloading. Let's also download and install Visual Studio Code. I'll open another tab in my browser, download Visual Studio Code, and the package for it is now being downloaded as well. Java has finished downloading, so let's open our Downloads folder. To do that, let's open the terminal and navigate to the Downloads folder. If we list the files here, we can see both packages, the one for Java JDK and the one for Visual Studio Code. Let's start with installing the JDK. To do that, we type sudo apt install followed by // and the first few letters of the JDK file name, then press Tab for autocomplete. After that, we hit Enter, and Java starts installing. Next, let's do the same thing to install Visual Studio Code. During the installation, we receive a confirmation prompt. Now we have both the JDK and Visual Studio Code installed on our Ubuntu system. Let's launch Visual Studio Code. Then open the Extensions tab. Here, I'll search for Java, and the top result is the one we need, the extension by Microsoft. Let's go ahead and install this extension, which might take a moment. Once the extension is installed, let's open the command palette with Ctrl-Shift-P. I'll search for Java and type Create, then select Create Java Project. I'm not using any builders, so I'll choose No Build Tools. Next, we select a folder on the computer where we want the project to be created. I'll choose my home directory for this, then provide a name for the new project, calling it Example Java Project. The project is created, and we can see its files on the left. If we open the source folder, we'll find app.java, which is the main file of our application. To start the program and see the output, we can click on the Run Java icon. The terminal opens automatically, and we see the result, Hello World, which means our program has successfully compiled and run.